The idea behind this robot is to go into hazardous environments such as chemical, biological disasters, active war zones, natural disasters, and provide emergency medicine to casualties. This is our Meditel prototype platform. On the front of the robot are two robotic arms capable of very fine, dexterous tasks. The platform underneath is highly reliable for off-road use, capable of carrying about 500 kilos. It can take the temperature of the casualty. It can provide drugs through an injection. It can read their pulse, and it can measure the blood pressure. We've had interest from agriculture, so looking at fruit picking, from the civil nuclear sector, so things like nuclear decommissioning, and the police, looking at dismantling hazardous chemical spills.